Hello guys, so welcome back. So we'll be doing another similar sort of thing, right? So we need to write a function to find the largest number in each list from a group of list. Okay, largest in each list. Okay, so we'll have to of course loop through it and find the max. Okay, it's easy, right? If we were to just simply use the Python function, it's like what? Child's play. Right. So what we can do is we can simply use a list iteration, right? So call list comprehension, I mean. So I for can do is max, right? So maximum of each list. So we will be looping over each list. So for lists, right? So this will give us the individual list, and within that we are just doing a max, right? So let's just test our code. Here, right? So Python, right? Let's just paste this thing, right? And let's just give it something. We will need to give it this input. I can't copy it. Okay, that's fine. Fine, largest. We will give it 1 comma 2. Right, but I have to make it a list, and then I will need to give it another 3 comma 4. 4 comma 3. Right, so if this works, everything else should work. Right, what is it? Okay, I will need to give another bracket, and that's it. That's success, guys. Thank you very much for your time. As you can see, that's how I did it. Basically, you have your functions, which just takes loops over the list and finds the max inside a particular specific list. And that's it. Take care. Bye bye.